Hi, my name is Jennifer Visser, and I'm a mind-body health coach. This training is different because it goes deeper than just eat this, don't eat that. It's more about getting into the emotions, the thoughts, the beliefs, which everyone agrees has to do with who you are and how you eat, right? And so with the deeper lessons that I'm able to work with clients, it helps to create the sustaining change that people are really, truly looking for. This training has really impacted my personal life by allowing me to be more authentically me. So letting go of little imperfections of, oh, I shouldn't have ate this, what's wrong with me, why can't I do this, to more of how can I expend my energy in more of a healthy, uplifting way. And so being able to be more uplifted with my choices of how I expend my energy has helped me be a better person and a better coach. It felt amazing to be in the training. Very uplifting. You were connected with like-minded people that are there doing the same journey of just being their better versions of themselves too. So you had the whole group cheerleading you on, you're cheerleading them on. So it felt so ecstatic. It was like so much joy walking around knowing you had this tribe with you, and the lessons were resonating. It felt amazing. This training is so different from other trainings around nutrition because it goes into more of the thoughts and the beliefs and the emotions and where life is truly calling people. Other trainings are more about eat this, don't eat that, which I think we know doesn't really work that well. And throughout the whole journey of going through all the different certification programs, it landed me here because eat this, don't eat that didn't work well. When you get here and you start digging in and you start to learn about how the thoughts and the emotions and the beliefs and who you are as an eater is way more of the story, it's kind of like that big aha moment of like, duh, but it took the journey to get here. So it was truly an amazing experience. I would tell anybody that's considering this program that it's for them if they want to deepen their life's meaning and purpose. If they are looking for any kind of personal growth, that this is such a beautiful program for that because it uses food as a doorway and the relationship with food as a doorway into higher transformation. And really, I think that's at the end what we really want is to continue being the best versions of ourselves that we are. So I really feel that this program gives people that and those tools to excel.